Hey guys, Beastie1066, and I want to review a multi-tool here, so let's get started. Alright, now as you can see on this black mat here, I have a multi-tool. It is the Leatherman RadioShack. It's just a small little multi-tool, maybe about 2 inches long. Alright, now let's get to the inside. First, you have a little keychain hook here, connected to your car keys or whatever. This goes in my EDC kit. I just wanted to take it out and review it for you. Alright, now let's get started. Alright, first of all, whenever you open it up, it's got pliers. Now, on the pliers, there are wire cutters. They're different sized wire cutters. There is 20, 18, 16, 14, and 12. 20 is the smallest, 12 is the biggest. Alright, next, right here is the RadioShack side. We're going to start in the inside. Alright, first we have a screwdriver. It is a Phillips head screwdriver. I don't know if you can see that, but it's a Phillips head. Next, we have a can opener. Now on the other side of the RadioShack side, we have a file here. Now on the Leatherman name side, on the outside, which is the only side, we have a knife, of course, utility knife. And on the other side, there is a leather puncher. And if you pop this little pick open right here, you can get a pair of tweezers. Some tweezers. Alright guys, that was my multi-tool Leatherman RadioShack. Here is a closer view at it here. I'm going to do a rotation of it. Here's a final closer look. Alright guys, that was my video on my Leatherman RadioShack multi-tool. Alright guys, till next time, Beastie1066, peace.